Hi everyone, hopefully this video will be quite useful on how to create a video lecture and upload to Moodle, which hopefully means that our students might actually do some work and stay on track with the course. Okay, so the first thing I find quite useful when creating a video lecture is to have animation in terms of your text and image. It just allows the student to stay focused on the part you want them to. For example, like this. This is just a simple animation of text using what's known as the float option. You'll see at the top there, the red arrow is just pointing, that's where I need to click, and then you get these different options: appear, fade, fly, and I'm sure most of you are familiar with this anyway. But I do find it helps. You can do it with images as well. What you just saw there was the wipe. You can adjust the effect option on the wipe to go from up and down to left to right, and also you can do the speed as well. But anyway, the main thing is just to bring information and images in one at a time as you're talking about that particular topic. Okay, so what you want to do first is record the audio, and that's pretty straightforward. Just click on the slideshow tab at the top and then select record slideshow there. What will happen is you'll get this kind of box come up, and there'll be an option to start recording in the very top left hand corner, as you can see there. Now often or not you'll make them, well, I often make mistakes when I'm trying to record a slide, so it's very simple. You just start again, you press stop, and then you go to this box here and you can say clear recordings on current slides. Be careful with the second option, clear recording on all slides, because if you've got right to the end, you're almost finished and you mess your last slide up, the last thing you want to do is clear everything. So it's a very useful option. I just go slide by slide and just record 30 seconds or so, whatever's information is required on each slide, and if I make a mistake, I can just hit the clear recordings on current slide and start again. It's pretty straightforward. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is save it, but obviously you've already saved it as a PowerPoint presentation anyway when you've created it. But now you want to drop the box down and save it as an MPEG 4 video, MP4. It will take about, if it's like a 10 slide presentation, it'll probably take maybe 4 or 5 minutes to actually render. And what I mean by that is it will create the video and it will save it in the file, obviously, that you selected. Once it's in that file, then the next thing you do is go into YouTube, and I'm going to send out the login details if you want to use this YouTube account. I set it up just for Waltham Forest College, but you can always set your own up if you want. But I'll send those login details, and it's pretty straightforward. You've got the create video button there, which should bring up this screen, and then you select the file, and it opens up like a file finder, and double click on that, and then it will start uploading the video, as you can see here. What you've got to do though is select a few things. For example, the playlist. I've created a playlist already, or one playlist. I'm going to create more. My current playlist is Unit 34 website design strategy, because I've been creating some videos for that. But obviously once I've done more of this, I'll be creating different playlists for all my different units, and obviously you can do the same. So that way you can, once you've uploaded them, you can put them all in the same playlist by unit. The other very important thing here is the next stage is to select public. This is important because otherwise you'll get the link, you'll put it onto Moodle and no one will be able to see it, so you need to select public. Yeah, and once the video's been uploaded and you've got your link, you can then go over to Moodle and select the URL option, add an activity of course, and just put the link in there, and it's simple as that. Label it whatever you want, things like view this video, please view this video, for God's sake view this video, whatever you can say to get the students to actually look at it and do some work, because that's the real challenge. Anyway, I hope it's been helpful, and send me any message on Teams if you still have any issues.